Hi there, this is the key fob out of the Hyundai Ioniq 6. It's a brand new fob from Hyundai, and I'm going to show you how to change the battery on it. You need one of the 2450s. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a pry tool. You can also use a screwdriver, but a pry tool is a little bit easier on the plastic. Okay, so on this side right here, I'm going to put your screwdriver or your pry tool in here. Just give it a firm push and twist. Kind of work your way around. And there's the insides. And take your pry tool. Plastic's really best here. Pop out the dead 2450 battery. Your new battery goes in positive side facing outward. Make sure everything lines up. Give it a good squeeze, and then you can test it right here. Make sure your red light's working. We're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.